Welcome to Rumorphonia Educational Video, where we delve deep into the lives of extraordinary individuals who have shaped our world. Join us on an immersive journey through the captivating life story of one of the most influential figures in the fashion industry, Gisele Bündchen. Step into the world of Gisele Bündchen, a woman whose remarkable journey from a small town in Brazil to global stardom has inspired millions around the world. Born in Horizontina, Brazil, in 1980, Gisele Caroline Bündchen dreamed of a life beyond the borders of her hometown. Little did she know, her dreams would soon become a reality. At the age of 14, Gisele was discovered by a modeling scout while on a school trip to Sao Paulo. Her natural beauty and charisma set her apart, propelling her to the forefront of the fashion world. With her signature walk and million-dollar smile, Gisele quickly became one of the most sought-after models in the industry, gracing the covers of prestigious magazines and walking the runways of Paris, Milan, and New York. But Gisele was more than just a supermodel. With her passion for environmental conservation and humanitarian work, she used her platform to advocate for causes close to her heart. Today, Gisele Bündchen's legacy extends far beyond the world of fashion. As a devoted mother, philanthropist, and environmental activist, she continues to inspire others to lead meaningful and purposeful lives. Behind the glitz and glamour, Gisele Bündchen faced her own share of challenges. From navigating the pressures of fame to overcoming personal struggles, she showed resilience in the face of adversity. In her memoir, Lessons: My Path to a Meaningful Life, Gisele opens up about her battles with anxiety, panic attacks, and self-doubt, offering a glimpse into the vulnerable side of a global icon. Through yoga, meditation, and a holistic approach to health, Gisele found solace and inner peace, inspiring others to prioritize self-care and mental well-being. Today, Gisele Bündchen continues to use her platform to destigmatize mental illness and encourage open conversations about mental health. In addition to her advocacy for mental health, Gisele is a vocal champion for environmental conservation. Through her work with organizations like the United Nations Environment Program, she raises awareness about the importance of protecting our planet for future generations.